Hi there and welcome back to my channel. I am unboxing a Stella Shine Lip Color from Dior. This one I've got is in shade called Mirage, which is just one shade darker than the natural color of my lips. I was after something slightly more pigmented than a lip balm, but still not full coverage, something in between a lip balm and lipstick. The Dior representative presented me this lip shine, and the minute I applied it on my lips, I was in love. First thing I noticed was the incredibly light texture that makes this lippy so pleasant to wear. The color that was just what I was looking for, and the sense of hydrated and nourished lips that felt just amazing. What makes this tinted lip balm glide and nourish so easily are the 5 oils encapsulated in beeswax that release shine, comfort and nourishment. It glides on the skin so easily and immediately releases shine and comfort to the skin. For best results, apply it after a primer or a lip balm. The brand claimed 8 hours wear, however, that was never the case in my experience. It only lasted me between 1 to 2 hours, so for me, that would be the only downside to this product. Other than that, I'm very much in love with this lip shine and I'm very looking forward to exploring the color range in the future. I would like to thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please hit the like button and make sure to subscribe, and now we'll see you in the next one.